This is the story of a little angel. Every great story has a beginning, and today we celebrate the journey of a strong woman who has grown into someone truly special. But first, let's rewind to 1986. On June 24, a girl named Gladys was born. With her bright smile and kind heart, she brought joy, comfort, and love to everyone around her. As the years passed, she grew into a strong and beautiful woman who faced life's challenges with courage, shared her blessings with others, and filled every chapter of her journey with love and purpose. Today, we celebrate her journey, her strength, and her love. Through every challenge and every blessing, she has remained a source of comfort, inspiration, and joy to those around her. Her kindness, resilience, and unwavering love have touched countless lives and made her the incredible woman she is today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to thee.
Happy birthday, Gladys. Happy birthday,
Okay.
Gladys.
Message. Okay, minute. Oo.
Happy birthday, Gladys. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health. Sana lagi kang nasa maayos na kalagayan at saka stay pretty and sexy.
Yeah.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you, Tita Ninette. How about Tita Nawit?
Happy birthday, Gladys. Wow, 40 ka na, pero hindi halata. Ang wish ko, good health and more being and your family. I love you. Ingat ka lagi. God bless.
Okay, your mommy, your mama.
Happy
Open.
birthday, daughter. I'm always praying good health and may the Lord grant all your desires. Alam ko marami kang mga kanan at dalangin ko na ipagkaloob ni Lord ang mga yon. Namahal ka namin. Kaya kahit na 40 ka na ngayon, mukhang bata ka pa rin naman. Huwag kang magproblema. You look pretty. Gorgeous. Love you.
Thank you, Mami.
Birthday, dear.
Thank you, Mama.
All the
Open.
best.
Ito, Neng. Ako pinahirapan nito tatlong sisters nyo. Taga-buhat, taga-garden, lahat. Pero ang pinaka-the best, yung mabati ka namin ng happy birthday. May kasabihan tayo, life begins at 40. Pero ikaw hindi pa 40 tingnan. Napaka-sexy at napaka-ganda pa rin. Stay as young as you are. Ingat palagi. God bless sa inyong pamilya. Chup.
Happy birthday, Dis. Lagas ka na. Life begins at 40.
Birthday, Gladys. Grabe, 40 ka na. Wishing you more birthdays and good health and more blessings to come. Love you and miss you.
Happy birthday!
Tita Gladys.
Yeah. We pray that you have a healthier body and ayun, marami kang maganda.
Good blessings.
Good blessings at the faith.
And
Magandang trabaho. Mapadalhan mo kang sapatos. Size 9, size 4, size 5. Baby TJ, size 2. Ayan. We miss you. Mag-ingat palagi. Enjoy your 40th birthday. Ayan. Susunod na ako. 40 sa tayo. Mga 86. Ayan. Stay safe and
God bless.
God bless you, Mama. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Gladys.
Happy birthday, Gladys.
Happy birthday, Gladys.
Ate Gladys.
Ate Gladys. Ikaw, Robin.
Ate Gladys.
Happy birthday. Kaway na, kaway. Ikaw, try.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Miss you, I love you. Happy birthday, Sita Gladys.
Happy birthday, Cass! We miss you. We love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Gladys. We love you. We miss you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Gladys. We love you and miss you. Enjoy your day. Stay safe.
Ingat po.
Happy birthday, Glance! Happy 40th birthday! Kahit na mukha ka lang 18 years old. Hope to see you again soon and enjoy your birthday and we love you!
Hi Gladys, don't count the numbers of your age, just count the blessings that you have received and will receive. Enjoy your day, have a blessed birthday. Love ya!
Hello Gladys, happy birthday. Miss na miss ko na kayo, lalo nung dalawang apo ko.
Iyak na siya.
Bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay. O, iingat ka lagi sa trabaho mo. Dahil love na love kita. O, sige, bye-bye.
Dad, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Gladys. Kay Romel dyan, sa mga bata. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello, Ate Gladys! Mwah! Happy birthday! Miss na kita at miss ko na yung bonding natin. Oh, basta health lang, pray lang lagi, lahat ng pagsubok, kaya yan, fight lang. Lagi ka mag-iingat sa trabaho, sa pagbabiyahe, ang mga bata, ang health mo, lalong-lalo na. Dahil alam mo naman, ang high blood ay traidor. Kaya ingat, love you, miss you. Mwah!
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan sa Dubai. Miss na miss ko na kayo ni LJ, ni Enzo, tsaka ni Tito Romel. See you soon and ingat lagi. Happy birthday.
Hi Tita, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. We miss you so much po. I hope bigyan ka po ni God ng lakas. Mag-iingat po kayo dyan palagi. Kayo nila LJ, ni Enzo, at saka ni Tito Romel po. We love you so much, Tita. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Mama Glads. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi at more blessing and yun, ingat. Thank you sa lahat at kamusta sa kanilang lahat yan. Happy birthday, Glads. Bye-bye.
Hi Tita Gladys, happy birthday po. May your birthday be bright and beautiful as you and your heart. And wishing you all the best, endless joy, peace, and all the blessings that you deserve po. Happy birthday Tita Gladys. We miss you.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati.
Happy birthday, Gladys! Happy birthday! 40 years old? Saan banda? Parang 50, charot. Para naman 25 years old lang. Yes, greetings from Canada. Yes, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We miss you so much. At yung mga kachismisan natin, na-miss ko na. Chismisan mo naman ako, bihira ka lang mag-online eh. Yan oh, laki na oh. Di mo na nakita. Diyos ko day. So, happy birthday and we love you so much.
We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Happy birthday nga pala sa kumari kong ubod ng ganda na si Gladys, aka Madam Terno. Hindi nga ako makapaniwalang 40 anyos ka na. Para sa akin, mukha ka lang 25 anyos. happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi! Maring Lads, happy birthday sa'yo. Okay, enjoy your special day. Alam ko na pabata ka ng pabata. Parang hindi ka tumatanda. Alam mo, umiidad ka, pabata ka, napabaliktad ka eh. So yun, namimiss ko na kayo. Brother Romel, Enzo, LJ. Ngayon, lagi niyo pagbubutihan dyan. At siyempre, bang, 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 bang. Happy birthday. Hindi niyo birthday to. Birthday ni Gladys to. Alright. Okay, palagi kayo mag-iingat. Kapag may mga problema dumadaan, laging pag-usapan lang. Alam naman natin yun, wala namang problema hindi nasusolusyonan. At kapag may problema ka, huwag mong problemahin yung problema, hanapan mo ng solusyon. Hayaan mong problema ang problema sa yung punyetang puking inang yan. Happy birthday! Alright! So yun! Peace out! Okay, happy birthday Maring Lads! Mag-ingat palagi and enjoy your special day. Good health, stay kind and pretty. At mabait. Let's go!
Hello friend! Happy 40th birthday! I hope that you have a great birthday. Next time, sana magkasama na ulit tayo. I pray that you have good health and long life and of course happiness and everything that your hearts desire. I miss you, friend. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to you! Hehe! Yun. Happy birthday, Glads! Happy birthday! Ayun, ang wish ko ngayong birthday mo is i-bless ka palalo ni Lord. And kung ano man yung nasa puso mo is i-grant yon ng nasa itaas. And I know naman na ipagkakaloob niya yon kasi mabuting tao ka, mabuti ang puso mo. Ayun, lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. And regards sa buong family mo, namimiss na kita. Namimiss na kita kung alam mo lang. Sana dumating yung time na magkita-kita rin tayo. Nila Ruth, kayo na malalapit sa puso ko. Sobrang miss ko na kayo. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan, Glads. Hope you enjoy your day. It's your day, so enjoy your day. Ganon. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello Mars, may your birthday be as wonderful as you are and may your wishes come true. Stay young and fabulous, Mars. Enjoy your life, enjoy your kids, enjoy your fam. Welcome to a better age. See you, Mars. God bless. Love you.
Neng, 18th birthday. Char. Para ka pa rin kasing 18, no? Hindi ka nagbabago. Ganda-ganda mo pa rin. Ang sexy-sexy mo pa rin. I wish you all the best, Neng. Always keep safe. Kasi alam niyo naman dyan sa lugar nyo. Always stay healthy. Happy. Miss ka na namin dito. Sana pag uwi mo, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Miss na miss ko na kayo. All the best. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa iyo, friend. Salamat pala kay Jillian. Naalala niya akong i-message na isa akong magbibigay ng birthday message sa iyo. Ang masasabi ko po, anumang mga heart's desires mo, naway ipagkaloob ng ating Panginoon. Patuloy lang maging mabuting tao at maging humble. Salamat sa pagiging kaibigan at yung samahan natin sa Samsi. Hindi ko yun makakalimutan. At ingat kayo palagi. Yung pamilya mo, tuloy lang sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap mo. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Love you, friend. God bless. God bless, God bless. Regards ako kay tita.
Basta, Mars. Happy birthday. Ano ba? Kumusta na? Alam ko 30 years old ka pala. 40 ka na pala.
Wala pa sa itsura. Sobrang bata pa na mukha. Anyway, so birthday mo na. I wish na sana makauwi ka naman. Yun lang, para magkita-kita tayo. Nami-miss ka na namin. Alam mo naman, ikaw lang yung laging nagpapatawa sa grupo natin. Thank you sa friendship. Laging andito ka pa rin kahit malayo ka, pero pag naisip kita, parang ang lapit mo pa rin. Basta tandaan mo, we're just text away. You can call me anytime. If you have problem. Nakakamiss na yung banding natin eh. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Ang laki na ni LJ. Dalaga na. Si Enzo, ang laki na. Ang bilis. So, it's your birthday. Anong wish mo naman? Basta dito lang kami. Hindi kami nakakalimot kahit hindi tayo nakikita-kita, pero we're just here to support you, to guide you. Charot.
Happy birthday and more blessings to your family, good health, and please stay safe always. Okay? Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Glads! Surprise! Thank you kay LJ and kay Ate Bing na in-include nila ako to greet you on your birthday. I know this is very, very special kasi 40th birthday mo na. Always remember na nandito ka sa thoughts ko. In my heart, nag-ready ako tissue. Sabi ko hindi ako iiyak. Promise itataguyod ko to nang hindi ako iiyak. I love you, and sabi ko na nga eh. Pang ilang take ko na to, Gladys. Basta, I know, you're a tough mom. Thank you for the friendship. Nakakainis talaga. Sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak. Promise, Glad. Basta, I miss you. Kahit busy tayo in our own lives. Ano ba yan? Mahal na mahal kita. And best regards to all.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, guys! We missed you here. It's a life begins at 40. So enjoy your 40th, okay? And I guess you're the proof that age is just a number. You look stunning at 40th. Stay pretty, healthy, and happy. Can't wait to see you here. Bye! Enjoy your birthday!
Hi there, Gladys. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, love, and success in everything you do. May this year be filled with wonderful opportunities and beautiful memories. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Happiest birthday, sis! I thank God that He let our paths cross during college. We have lots of memories, beautiful memories. Syempre, my struggles and problems. I admire you for being so strong. You handled everything so well. From classmates to neighbors, pader lang ang pagitan. Look where we are now. Miles na apart. Rayo na, but then, the friendship is always there. Nothing has changed. You can always count on me. Remember that always. I'm very happy that you have Romel, LJ, and Enzo. I hope you enjoy your day. Wish you all the best in life. Nothing but the best. God bless you. I miss you. I love you. Bye. Life begins at 40.
Hello, Gladys. Malipayon na kaadlawan sa imo.
happy 40th birthday. Ba good man. Kadagmit sa panahon, 40 na kit ngayon iniya na. But anyway, blessing iton. Ngan enjoy la naton ini na kinabuhi. Kay direkit maaram san panahon niya na. Pero siringan nira nagkamayada kita son chance na mabuhi nga dili sa kalibutan na ini. Aton good i-treasure ini. Kaupod sa naton mga pamilya, aton mga sangkay ngan maging malipayon la permi. Maara manak na malipayon ka man permi. Kaya pangangaran pangalang nimo Gladys eh. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin masaya. Cheerful. Pero nainomdum gudak sad tong akit mga bata pakit. Na iyo gudak giniinaway ni Ate Binggil kalamod good man. Pero anyway, malipay man ak na may sanak iyo giniinaway. Sang kay laki hapon niyo. Kumusta na laak dida kanday mo mama? San imo pamilya? Yan san imo mga kabugtuan? Ang ginuulaan maaram kung nano pa ang aton journey sini na kinabuhi. Basta an wish ko la na tagan ka pa san halaba nga kinabuhi, malipayon na kinabuasan ngan stay beautiful. We love you Gladys. Happy birthday again.
Des, musta? Happy birthday. Birthday mo pala. Dito sa Santa Margarita, dineclare ko talaga na no work, no classes dahil birthday mo. Ganon kita ka-love. Pero Des, tiyaga lang kayo dyan ha. Hayaan mo, susunod niyan, ginawa na dahil tinawagan ko si Trump na tigil na niya yung kabubumba sa Iran. Pero Des, pag nakauwi ka dito, hayaan mo, magkakaroon tayo ng motorcade at may bandang sasalubong sa'yo. Happy birthday, Des! I love you!
Happy birthday, Mama Dis. I miss you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Mama Dis.
Mama Dis. I love you. I miss you.